Hello everyone. In this lesson we are going to learn about an interesting topic that's called the hue and saturation. This is really a very interesting topic, so let's start from the beginning. So therefore I am going to create a new document, and here is the create new option, and I am picking the default Photoshop size, and then you have to go for the create option. Okay, cool. So this is our image. Now I have to add an image from our exercise file, and therefore we have to go for file menu, place embedded option, and inside my exercise file you will have this Matthew Hamilton unsplash image. So you just have to select it and then you have to go for place. Okay, let me hit the intro button. You can see this is an image of a red shoe, but if we want to change the color of this entire shoe with different style, how you will do that? You can do that very easily. Therefore, you have to use this adjustment tab, and from there you have to go with the hue and saturation option. We learned in last lesson about vibrance and saturation. With the vibrance and saturation, you will be able to make image more active. But with the hue and saturation, you will be able to change the color of the object. Suppose you want to make this shoe as a pink color instead of red, or you want to make a blue color shoe, or if you want to make a purple color, yellow color, green color shoe, how you will do that? You can do that very easily using hue and saturation. So let me click this hue and saturation. Then once you will click this hue and saturation, then you will have the setup like this. So this is the main option of hue. Basically the changing color is applying with the hue, and saturation, this is making the image more active, and it could be when you will move this pointer at left, then it could be a similar like vintage image, but for changing the color this hue is applicable. Okay, so instead of red, I want to turn my color as like blue. You can call blue or you can call pink. So let me move this pointer at left side. Magic! You can see now the red color turned into pink color. And you can see here I have value -43 right now. So let me move this pointer more left. Okay, cool. What I got? I got a blue color shoe. Let me move this pointer more left. Awesome. I got cyan color. Okay, so I have the maximum number of negative value -176. So now I want to move the pointer at right side, and let's see which color is applied. So this is our actual image. I'm moving at right. Okay, we got the green color. We got once again the cyan color. Okay, so instead of this red color, I turn this shoe as my pink color. So now I will apply the saturation. Let me reduce the saturation. Now it's not a look very active image. Let me increase the saturation. Now it looks more active than before. Okay, cool. So this is the another bar. It's called the lightness. If you want to increase the lightness or darkness, you can use this bar. So when you will move this lightness bar, this impact will be applied to your entire image. So let me move that pointer at left. So you can see here entire image got dark. And if you want to increase more lighting, you have to move the pointer at right side. Then the maximum number of lightness will be applied. Okay. Okay, so now you know how to apply the hue and saturation for changing the color of your shoe. Red, pink, blue, cyan. Here is the green, here is the cyan as well. Okay, so we just learned how to use vibrance and saturation, and if you want to have back your image, in that case you just have to turn off this hue and saturation layer. Let me turn this off. Okay, so you can see now that the hue and saturation is gone, and if you want to turn it on, you just have to turn on the visibility. Okay, And if you want to keep the image in this way, and if you want to save these things, in that case you have to select this main image layer, as well as you have to select the hue and saturation layer. Then you have to convert this layer in a smart object. Then this impact will remain with the image. So let me show you. You just have to make sure that both layers are selected. Then you have to place your mouse cursor at the right side, and then you will have this convert to smart object. So you can see now, right now we have the actual layer that's called the hue and saturation, and all the elements are placed inside this layer. So this is how you will apply hue and saturation in Adobe Photoshop.